Vijay from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen of dead or dark screen that you can't see your phone anymore or stuck Samsung Galaxy phone. In this case I'm using Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, could be 23 or any other version. Suppose this phone is dark or stuck, we can't do anything. So what can we do in this case? There could be volume down key and power key together. You have to press for 10 seconds to force the restart process. Let's see. You see Samsung logo appear. This is the easy fix. If this fix works for you, that means you have software issue. If this is not working, what you have to do next process? Next could be you can try with different charger, different cable. Maybe sometime happen your cable is bad, your charger is wrong. So try with different charger, maybe it gonna fix you, maybe it's not charging properly. So third fix, it will be take out the cover, you have your phone inside. It's a tricky one. You have to take a cotton soft light, something as this, and you have to press your phone all the way. Press everywhere, especially this zone. You have some connector here, they are connected to the display. Sometimes they get loose when you drop your phone. When you're pressing, you're gonna lock them up again, something as this. As many places, press 1 or 2 minutes all over the phone, so it will tight all the locks there. So this may gonna fix your phone. You'll not have any problem. If this process is not working, that means your phone has physical damage. You have to take to a technician to fix this one, because I will not recommend this phone to open or tear apart if you don't know anything about the phone, because it looks very sleek. So if you open one time, it may not put them back properly as it is. So these are some of the fix may work for you. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.